Have you ever wondered why the US government is so keen on regulating and even eliminating Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency? Is there something more than meets the eye? Let's find out. In this exciting video, we tell you why the US wants to kill Bitcoin from the blockchain. As a result, Bitcoin poses significant risks to governments and investors. That's why the US government has taken a cautious approach to their adoption and has attempted to regulate them to mitigate the risks they pose. Before moving towards the reasons, let's take a closer look at what is Bitcoin and blockchain technology. Bitcoin and blockchain technology. Bitcoin is a digital cryptocurrency. It operates on a decentralized peer-to-peer network known as blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions on multiple computers, making it secure and transparent. Bitcoin's blockchain technology has revolutionized the financial industry, challenging the traditional banking system by enabling direct transactions between individuals without the need for intermediaries, such as banks or financial institutions. Blockchain technology has several benefits, including increased transparency, immutability, and security. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain and verified by multiple users, making it challenging to manipulate or alter the data. This ensures the integrity of the transactions and increases the security of the network. Bitcoin's blockchain technology has also been used for various other applications beyond financial transactions. It has been used to create smart contracts, decentralized applications, and other innovative solutions that utilize the benefits of blockchain technology. Despite its benefits, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have faced opposition from governments and financial institutions worldwide, with concerns raised over their potential use in illegal activities such as money laundering and terrorism financing. Additionally, the decentralized nature of Bitcoin's blockchain technology poses a threat to traditional financial systems, making governments wary of its adoption and impact on their economic policies. U.S. government's perspective on Bitcoin. So viewers, the U.S. government's perspective on Bitcoin is primarily negative, with concerns raised over its potential use in illegal activities and its impact on the traditional banking system. The government's stance on Bitcoin is reflected in the actions taken by various regulatory bodies, such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, among others. The U.S. government has classified Bitcoin as a commodity rather than a currency, subjecting it to regulation by the CFTC. The SEC has also taken a tough stance on cryptocurrencies, with its chairman stating that most cryptocurrencies are securities and should be subject to SEC regulations. The IRS has also issued guidelines on the taxation of cryptocurrencies, stating that they are treated as property for tax purposes. The government's primary concerns regarding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are their potential use in illegal activities, such as money laundering, drug trafficking, and terrorism financing. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin's blockchain technology makes it difficult for law enforcement agencies to track and monitor transactions, raising national security concerns. Additionally, the adoption of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin could disrupt the traditional banking system, impacting the U.S.'s economic policies. As a result, the U.S. government has taken several steps to regulate the use of cryptocurrencies, including the introduction of the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2020, which requires cryptocurrency exchanges to register with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. How impressed are you by the above information? Let us know in the comment section. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel at this time, then subscribe to our channel for more new and quick notifications. Okay, let's start the video and know the reasons for U.S. government to kill Bitcoin from blockchain. There are several reasons for the U.S. government's opposition to Bitcoin and its attempts to regulate the use of cryptocurrencies. One of the primary concerns is the potential use of cryptocurrencies in illegal activities, such as money laundering and terrorism financing. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin's blockchain technology makes it difficult for law enforcement agencies to track and monitor transactions, raising national security concerns. In addition, the anonymity of Bitcoin transactions makes it an attractive option for criminal enterprises. Another reason for the U.S. government's opposition to Bitcoin is its volatility and risk. The price of Bitcoin has been known to fluctuate dramatically, leading to concerns over its use as a speculative investment. The government is also concerned about the potential impact of Bitcoin on the traditional banking system, as the adoption of cryptocurrencies could disrupt the existing financial system and impact the U.S.'s economic policies. The U.S. government is also wary of the potential impact of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on its ability to control its currency. Cryptocurrencies operate outside of traditional financial systems and are not subject to government control. This raises concerns that the adoption of cryptocurrencies could lead to a loss of control over monetary policy and inflation rates. Finally, the U.S. government is concerned about the potential for cryptocurrencies to be used to fund illegal activities, such as terrorism. In 2021, the Department of Justice announced the recovery of $2.3 million worth of Bitcoin paid as ransom to hackers who attacked the Colonial Pipeline. The incident highlighted the potential use of cryptocurrencies in cyber attacks and other illegal activities. Overall, the U.S. government's opposition to Bitcoin and its attempts to regulate the use of cryptocurrencies are driven by concerns over national security, the potential impact on the traditional banking system, and the loss of control over monetary policy. Bitcoin's impact on U.S. economic policies. The adoption of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin could disrupt the traditional banking system, impacting the U.S.'s economic policies. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin's blockchain technology allows individuals to transact directly with one another without the need for intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. This could potentially reduce the role of banks in the financial system, leading to a shift in the distribution of economic power. Furthermore, the adoption of cryptocurrencies could lead to a loss of control over monetary policy and inflation rates, as cryptocurrencies operate outside of traditional financial systems and are not subject to government control. This could make it difficult for governments to manage the economy and respond to economic shocks. On the other hand, proponents of Bitcoin argue that its adoption could lead to increased financial inclusion, particularly for those who are unbanked or underbanked. Additionally, Bitcoin's blockchain technology has the potential to reduce transaction costs, making it cheaper and easier to transact across borders. Overall, it is clear that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, which could have significant implications for the U.S.'s economic policies. Viewers, in short, the United States government's concern about Bitcoin and blockchain technology is multifaceted. While there are some legitimate benefits to these technologies, such as their potential for decentralization and transparency, there are also significant risks and concerns associated with them. These risks include the use of Bitcoin in illicit activities, the potential for money laundering and terrorist financing, the threat of cybercrime, the lack of regulation, and the possibility of market instability. To address these concerns, the U.S. government has been taking steps to regulate Bitcoin and blockchain technology, including implementing anti-money laundering measures, increasing scrutiny on cryptocurrency exchanges, and exploring the creation of a central bank digital currency. This was all about today's video. See you soon in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, we would love to hear how much you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more awesome videos like this in the future.